Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to give you guys an introduction to the Ringless Aln platform and how it can benefit your business. All right. So, before I get started, guys, I just want to let you know this is not about an opportunity. This particular video is about a powerful tool that can help you in your business. Okay. Now, everybody knows that ringless voicemail drops are pretty much, they're powerful, they're effective. With this platform, you're able to pretty much create your own ringless voicemail drops. Okay, and I'll go into a little bit more detail about that. So I'm gonna log in really quick. So the reason why I got involved with this opportunity, guys, is because there are many different ways to market a business. Okay, you have your YouTube videos like the one you're watching, you have Facebook, you have Instagram. A lot of people are not familiar with ringless voicemail drops and how they can benefit them in their business. So with this platform, you're able to not only learn about the ringless voicemail drops, but learn how to actually set one up for yourself. And that way you can launch it to your list, whether it be an organic list that you get or whether it be a list that you purchased. Now with Ringless ALN, as you can see here, it comes with 2,000 pretty much contacts, 2,000 contacts that you can add to the Ringless voicemail service. Okay, I'll get into that in a second as well. But you get access to 2,000 new contacts and you get access to drops as well. They give you 1,500 drops that you can use also. Now, the reason why I didn't do this video last night was because I was waiting for my drops to come in and they came in this morning. So I'm going to show you guys how everything's going to look. So with the Ringless ALN platform itself, it's a pretty small platform. You have access to your dashboard. You can edit your account, your profile, your payment setup, and all that. There are different levels to it as well. So you can see I'm at the entry level, starter level, basically, where you get the 2,000 contacts and you get 1,500 drops. There's also different levels you can upgrade in as well, from 1 all the way up to level 5. You can track people that join your business, your team, basically. You can track the commissions that you make with the opportunity. They'll be adding news and a leaderboard as well. And there also is training for the opportunity as well. Now, again, the main thing I want to get into, what I'm going to get into right now, is the actual platform itself. So let's go here, click on that. Now the platform that you can see here is app.drop.co. Sorry. So while my computer is setting up here, this is pretty much going to show you the platform that you're going to be using and how everything is going to look. So every time that you log into the platform, you'll have to sign pretty much a user acceptance agreement. Now, guys, this is very important. Make sure that you use this platform the right way, the way that it was intended. Don't misuse the platform. Don't go crazy sending ringless voicemail drops to people, random people. Don't do that. Use the platform the correct way, okay? Otherwise, you will get your account shut down, all right? And I'm going to go down here. I'm going to agree to the terms. Agree. Do this real quick. Okay, sign that there. So while that loads, hold on. Okay. So while that's loading up, everything that you're gonna see inside of here, inside of this platform, is pretty much, I don't want to say it's complicated, but when you're first getting started with it, it will be a little bit different. Now, for me myself, I haven't, done a ringless voicemail drop at all since I've been online. I've heard of them, but I've never initially gotten started with it. But this platform makes it very simple to understand. So you can see here, this is the available balance, $30. It's 2 cents per drop. So after you get your initial 1,500, which as you can see here, guys, I have 1,500 drops that I can send to my list. They're 2 cents a drop. So you have an option to add funds here. You can add your funds here, purchase your drops that way. You also are able to create your campaigns from here. It'll show you the campaigns that you created. You can go here to create the drop and it'll show you your list here. So what I've done already, I created a couple lists last night from the leads that I've gotten from Ringless ALN, excuse me. So you can see these are the leads that I've gotten here. and I've labeled them ringless leads ALN, so I'll know which one is which. So this is for the ringless leads ALN, and I also purchased the leads ALN as well. That's a separate opportunity in the back office. You can sign up for that if you choose to. So I already had leads from leads ALN as well, with the names, emails, and phone numbers. So what I had to do, I had to upload my list here. It's pretty simple to upload. You create your new list here, and then you just follow the steps as well. And it also shows you um, how it should look. So in order to upload your list, these are the formatting requirements for the CSV file here. Okay, you can go through that as well when you're in your back office. And again, guys, this is something that I feel can benefit a lot of people, because ringless voicemails, think about it. They're going straight to people's mobile phones. Okay, the leads, if you will, leads that already have requested information on different opportunities, leads that you've purchased from traffic vendors. Anywhere you get your leads from, you can upload them here as long as you upload the file in the CSV format, as I just shown. This is one of those opportunities, guys, where you don't necessarily have to be on a Facebook to promote your business. You can purchase leads. You can upload your leads here, and do it the correct way. Don't be a person that's just gonna, drop voicemails every single day. You have to be precise with it, especially if you're a new person. You're gonna start out small. You don't want to go through all of your leads in one day, because that'll be a waste. All right. So I'm gonna set up my drops later on. I'm not gonna do this right now. I just want to give you guys a brief introduction to the Ringless ALN platform and the app.drop platform as well, that you get access to when you join. So to summarize, guys, when you join Ringless ALN, you get 2,000 leads. You get 1,500 voicemail drops here. As you can see right here, this will be available in your back office within, I believe, 24 hours. That's when I got mine. Got mine earlier today. So this will be there for you in a day or so. You have your campaigns you can create. You have your voicemail drops that you can set up initially as well. You import your list here from the save list section. You can add funds through here as well. All right, so I'm not going to get into much more than that, but I just want to end the video by saying this. This opportunity can be very beneficial to those who are experienced and those who are new as well. The reason being is that a platform like Ringless ALN, again, gives you different opportunities to promote your business to lists that either you purchased or lists that you've grown organically. All right, and again, you don't have to be on Facebook to promote this. You don't have to be on Instagram or YouTube, every single day promoting your business. This is just another way to promote your opportunity to leads, again, that you purchase or that you grow organically. All right. But make sure that you use the platform the correct way. Make sure that you're following all the instructions that are given to you in the training videos inside of Ringless ALN. And you make sure you watch the tutorial before you get started with anything, okay? Because it'll give you a rundown of what you need to do, all right? And you make sure you go through the training as well when you join the opportunity. There is a lot of training here. It's a lot of valuable information that you can utilize as well. And before I forget, in order to send a ringless voicemail drop, of course, you have to set up an audio file that you want your prospects to hear when they call their voicemail when they're listening. There is a script here, a script that you can use, that you can edit, which is what I've done myself. I'm not going to click on the script to show you guys, but this profit passport script here, I edited it, and I'm going to use that in my initial trial run. Once I get my my audio file set up. All right, you have text ALN training as well. You have Ringless and Down.View service at $500 a month. And you have everything that you need right here. You can get access to a capture page and email autoresponders through Ringless ALN. Training as well for text ALN, and this is pretty much everything that you need to watch getting started with Ringless ALN. All right, so they give you the training that you need to be successful with the opportunity. They give you the steps that you need to follow. They show you how to break up your leads. They give you the help that you need in order to get started with the app.drop platform. All right. And also, before I forget, you can earn $75, right, for every person that you bring into Ring ALN that joins at the level 1 level. So basically, you're pretty much earning 50% on every level that your person joins at if you're at that according level. So for me, I'm just at the entry level. I would earn $75 for every person that joins at the entry level. Okay, and I'd have to pass up my first sale to my sponsor. So after I pass up my first sale to my sponsor, the $75 payments will come directly to me after that. Okay, which is a pretty cool deal. $75, per sale is a good amount of money, especially when you're getting access to a Ringless voicemail platform that you can use um, as another method of advertising your opportunity. So having said that, guys, I'm going to end this video here because I've been on for about almost 10 plus minutes now. Hope you guys have a great day. And if you need more information about Ring ALN, the link is in the comments section. If you have any questions, you can also comment in that section as well. And I'll try to answer those questions for you as best as I possibly can. Going forward, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. All right, take care.